to give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Monday, the 5th of January, and I've got a lungo here this morning with some lovely crema on it. If you have your Bibles, turn to John 1, verse 16. Johannes 1, vers 16. For of his fullness we have all received, and grace upon grace. This new year, as we go into it, I want to challenge you and myself to seeing God in the small, not just in the big, not just waiting for the huge moments in life and the big answered prayer, but in the people that we meet every day, in the small things that happen, in the everyday breakthroughs that God gives us in small ways, grace upon grace. It's not a dollop of grace. It's grace upon grace upon grace upon grace that you and I receive in every day. So we may not always see the big steps, the big climbs, the big improvements, but God is busy working in our life through people, through little things, through small little incidents that happen that seem insignificant, that seem so mundane, so everyday. God is besig in ons lewens elke dag en ons moet dit raak sien. Ons moet hom raak sien in die mense wat hy oor ons pad stuur en die geleenthede wat hy vir ons skep en vir ons gee om sy naam groot te maak, om hom uit te leef. En dis 'n wonderlike idee dat mense Jesus sien in ons. Mense beleef God se liefde deur ons liefde en hoe ons hulle hanteer, hoe ons met hulle praat. And it's in the small things. It's not in the big things that we do, it's in the small little ways, the small little signs of respect, the small little showing of acknowledging, of seeing, of accepting that we show that we have received from him the fullness of his fullness we have all received, and grace upon grace. May you know that for yourself today, and may you live that out for others today. God's grace is yours to give you the victory, give you the ability to do life, but also yours to give out to others. Think about that this Monday, and may you have a wonderful Monday.
Give